Let me show you how we can customize the home screen on iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. We're gonna start with the basics, so with apps. If you want to add a certain app to the home screen, what you can do is you can go to the app library, either look for the app by using these categories over here, or you can just open the list of apps over here. And what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on the app, and then if you start dragging it around, you should be able to add it to the home screen. Just place it anywhere you wish it to be placed, and then we can press done in the upper right corner. Of course, we can also remove apps by just tapping on the minus button that is in the top left corner of the app. Now, if you want to go to this editing mode, and if you want to, for example, change the position of the app, you can change the position just by pressing and holding your finger on the app, and then once you see these options, you can start dragging it, and there we go, it works just fine. Or you can press and hold your finger on an empty space, and then we will go to this editing mode. Now, besides that, besides just apps, you can also create folders, just like over here, this one. If you want to create a folder, you need to press and hold your finger on the first app that should be in the folder, and then just drop it on top of another app, like this. And of course, if you want to remove an app from the folder, you can just do the same, pretty much the same thing, just drag it outside of the folder, and there we go. If you want to remove an app from the home screen, if you press and hold your finger, then once again we should be able to find the remove app option. However, when we have this confirmation, you want to probably choose that you want to just remove from the home screen instead of completely uninstalling and deleting the app. And we can do the same thing with folders pretty much. We can also rename our folder if you want to, and you can just completely remove it from the home screen with every app that we have in that folder. They will be gone from the home screen. Of course, we also have widgets, and we can also create a stack of widgets, as you can see over here, so we can scroll through these widgets in here. If you want to add your own widget, then what you can do is you can go to the editing mode, tap on edit in the top left corner, and then we can choose add widget. Now first we will see some example apps that we can use, but in addition to that, you can scroll down in order to find the list of apps, as long as they support, of course, some sort of widgets, that they provide some sort of widgets. So let's say in my case, I'm going to use this Google Drive app. Over here we have some example widgets that we can use, and now we can either press add widget, or you can touch and hold it and then start dragging it in order to place it in the home screen. In some cases, widgets can be resized by grabbing by this thick line over here in the bottom right corner, so you can try to make it smaller or bigger. And keep in mind that not every widget can actually be resized. In order to remove a widget, you have to do the same thing as you do with apps, so you can just press this minus button over here, or you can press and hold your finger on the widget, and you should be able to find the remove widget option. You can also edit the widget over here as well. And in order to create a stack of widgets, you can simply, I believe you can go to edit widget in here. Actually, no, my bad, it is not that. What you need to do is you need to go back to widgets. So let's choose add widget, and we need to add a widget of the same size. So let's say I'm gonna choose this App Store widget because it is 4x2 as well. We're gonna try to add it, and we need to put it on top of the already existing widget. And there we go, this is how we can create the stack. Now, if you want to, you can still customize the stack, of course. You can press and hold your finger in order to choose edit stack, and you can choose to, for example, add a new widget over here by pressing on this plus button. You can remove a widget, and so on and so forth. We also have smart rotate option and widget suggestions, which can be toggled. And that's pretty much all in terms of widgets. Now we also have, of course, pages. If you want to create a new page, you just have to move something into that new page. So if you start moving apps or widgets or folders, you can go all the way to the right side in order to create a new page, just like that. If you want to remove a page, then you can either move everything from that page, or we can go ahead and choose edit while editing the home screen. We can go to edit pages, and then you can, for example, uncheck the page, and then we have this minus button that can be used in order to remove the page. You can also hide pages like that as well. So if I uncheck the page and press done, then in that case, as you can see, the page is gone, but I can just still add it back if I want to. I just have to return to this edit pages actually option, and I can tap on this check again in order to add the page back into the home screen. And of course, there is one more option that we should talk about, and that is this one, customize option. In here we can customize the appearance of apps and widgets. So over here at the bottom we have all available options. You can switch, for example, to the dark mode. You can set it to clear in order to use this liquid glass effect. And we can also use tinted as well in order to apply a color. So we can fool around and try to add a very cool looking color. Over here we can also switch between light and dark options, so you can keep that in mind. We can also make app icons bigger by removing the name of these apps. So as you can see, we can get rid of names, but we can make apps bigger. And over here in the top left corner, we can also make the wallpaper brighter. So in some cases, when we make some changes, the wallpaper can seem a little bit dimmed or darker, so we can make it brighter again by using this sun icon. And that's pretty much it. This is pretty much everything that we can do in the home screen on iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.